Here we are on the back side of the sewing machine where, when you slide the accessory box off, you have exposed another lever that can do the lowering of the feed dog. So these teeth, when you're sewing, they are up and pulling your fabric through the machine. But if you ever want to sew buttons on, do free motion stitching, or just do something where the fabric is stationary but not moving through the machine, slide the lever to the side. Now you notice the teeth go down, which is perfect. That's what you're wanting. Now here's the thing that people get in trouble, is they come back here when they're done and go ahead and push the lever and nothing happens. Well, as you can see, the feed dogs are still down. Now, if you just go ahead and take a stitch, either start sewing or just go ahead and turn the hand wheel, you'll see the teeth will come up after you start to sew. So if you've lowered them, and you're looking for them to come back up, you're going to need to manually go ahead and engage them. Otherwise, just flip it back, start sewing, they'll come up. Now, here's another thing that happens. A lot of times people will, for example, sew buttons on. They've lowered them, and then off they go, and a couple months later, they wonder why the fabric is not feeding through their machine. Their needle's just going up and down. They forgot to bring those back up. So that is something that sometimes they get down and we forget. So make sure that usually when you're done with them lowered, you go ahead and engage them, maybe even visually note that they have come back up by taking one full stitch.